last session, we've seen how to predict taxi prediction. And today we are going to start with DNN. Since I'm learning DNN, that's why I want to show you all. Let's import the necessary libraries. So I will say import TensorFlow, SDF, import random, import NumPy as NP. From Keras library, let's import models and layers. From TensorFlow.keras, import models, layers. Now we will use predefined dataset from MNIST. Let's import that dataset as well. df.keras.datasets.mnist.load data, and let's initialize the variables. So first one is xtrain, ytrain, xtest, ytest. So these are the data we have. Here, this dataset contains the digits from 0 to 9. Let's check one of the digit. Here we need to import from matplotlib import pyplot splt. Now I will type plt.figure. Fig size will be 5, 5. Let's display the image. So I'll say plt.subplot. We'll pass a number. plt.image show xtrain 0, colon cmap. So this is one of the image. We can change this variable. Let's say 1. Here it is 0. If you type 3, then it is, I think it is 1. Let's type 4, 9. It's time to check the shape of the data. For that I will say xtrain.shape. So this is a 3-dimensional data and it is having 60,000 parameters. Let's check the xtest shape. It is also 3-dimensional. Let's check the ytrain.shape. It is 1-dimensional. So here if you see the dimensions are different. It is 3-dimensional, it is 1-dimensional. To work with it, we need to modify the shape of this data. For that, we will use xtrain.shape 60,000 for all the data, 28 by 28. After reshaping data, we will change the type of the data as float32. So let's reshape first, then we will change to float. Copy, paste. So here it will be xtest, and the size for xtest is 10,000. Double is not callable. I think we missed something. Dot shape, so it should be reshape actually. So reshape. Now let's reshape the ytrain and ytest. Ytrain dot. So for ytrain we'll use df.keras.utils to categorical. Ytrain will do same for ytest. So here we'll type white test and here as well, white test. Now it's time to modify our data to float 32. So we'll say xtrain not as type float 32, and we are going to divide it by 255. We'll do same for test data test. Now our data are prepared. Let's check the shape of x test. It is two-dimensional, and y test dot shape, it is also two-dimensional. Our data pre-processing part is completed. Now it's time to build a model. So the pre-processing part of data is completed. We will see how to use model, how to compile model, and plot the graph in the next session. Otherwise, the video will get lengthy. Thanks for watching.